Welcome to Ratsusila Holistics. Today we are going to see how are the energies for you according to numerology from May 20th to May 30th for different dates of birth born people. First we will see for one born. One born means any person born on 1st, 10th, 19th or 28th of any month. Now we will see how are your energies. This week 5 number is going to play a very important role for you. You can choose 5 number for buying your vehicles or while investing your money or buying something using 5 number as your lucky number will help you a lot this week. And 1 number is also going to be very lucky for you. All you can use. If 5 is not available, then you can opt for 1 number. Wednesday and Sundays are going to be very lucky for you. How this week is going to for you? Literary pursuits will go very well. Academic progress will be there for you. People who are in research work will do very nicely this week. Apart from that, guys who are working for government will progress well. They will get promotion or they want some transfer for the place they like or for their hometown. They can get a promotion with transfer. If you are opting for new job in any MNC, possibility is also there for you to jump from this job to a higher position job. So this week can be said that for all this week is going to be very good for you. At the same time, you should be careful and you should not go for any kind of speculations and big investments this week. For you this week, which number is not that lucky is 7 number. So do not invest on 7 number and keep away from 7 number. The colors what you can use this week for you are copper color and light blue color. Copper color and light blue color, wherever you are going for any important things, meeting some people, giving interviews, there is also a possibility that you will score very well in interview and get good job. At that time you use more copper color and blue color, that will be good for you. So if you have not subscribed our channel yet, I will ask you to subscribe our channel. Now we will see for 2 born people. Any person born under 2nd, 11th, 20th and 29th are said to be 2 born people. For you this week, the primary number for you which is going to play an important role, a lucky number is 4 for you, and another number which is going to play a major role for you is 7. So this 4 and 7 combination, when it has come to you as numbers this week, you should be careful that you do not invest much in speculation. And blindfoldedly, if you are going to invest in speculation, it is not good for you. Even though this week you can get huge profits in your business and huge recognition where you are doing your job, at the same time there will be backstabbing and backbiting by people around you. You should be careful of your friends. Do not open up your mind with anybody, because there are so many people around you who are jealous of you, envy of you. They don't want you to progress in life. So you should take some water, careful, and be away from women particularly this week. Even if you are a woman, you should be careful of other women, because there is you are prone to get a problem from ladies this week. So be careful. And the colors which are good for you this week for doing anything is blue color and orange color. If you are going to attend some important meetings or going to do some investment in business or for any important occasions, you can use blue or orange color. These two colors are going to be very good for you. Now we will see the energies for 3 born people. 3 born on 3rd, 12th, 21st and 30th of any month. We say that they are 3 born people. For you, how the energies are there, we will see. For you, the number that are going to play very important role is 3 and 5. So this week will be very good for you. Investments, doing investments are very good this week. Investing money in business and investing money in some companies or in some mutual funds and all will bring you very good results. This week we can say that it is also very good for you to get progress in life. If you are facing any litigations or court cases, this is the time when it will come in your favor. Going abroad, getting visa for going abroad for education, going abroad for studies, both are there for you. People who are aspiring to get job in MNC, this time can be told to be, this week can be told that it is going to be very good for you, and you should be careful. And apart from that, we see that this week there is not going to be there any major setback in your life. We can also take 9 as your number, which is going to help you this week. So rapid progress can be seen in all the things you are going to do. Whatever you think, the speed you expect things to happen, but the things will happen more faster than your expectation. So things are going to be very favorable for you guys. The lucky number for lucky color for you is peach color. Use more peach color or just carry a handkerchief of peach color this week, so that you can derive more benefits from the period what you are running right now. And now we will see for guys born on 4th, that is 4 born, that is born on 4th, 13th, 22nd and 31st of any month. For you, the major planets which are going to play a important role in your life this week is, we can say that 3 and 2. So we can say that investment in liquid cash, you can have lot of them. You can get lot of profit from your business. If you are applying for some loan in your job sector, you can get that loan without any problems. Debts which you have given to others, you can collect it back nicely, and there will be flow of money more than you have expected. As far as your relationship is concerned, relationship will go very well. Long lost friends will come back to you and you will have a reunion with them. This week is going to be good, but you should be careful that master number 11 has come for you this week. It is going to be a challenging number for you. So whenever you are going, whenever you go outside or do something, when you see repeatedly 11 number or 111 number or 1111 number, then you stop doing those important things, because 11 is a karmic number which warns you that the work you are going to do is not going to come in your favor, and the angels send you the guidance through the number to stop you from using that number. So be careful of that. The lucky colors for you this week is purple color. Use more and more purple color in your surroundings, or wearing dress and all. If you can't do that, just carry a handkerchief with you of purple color, so that you can derive the benefits of the period you are having right now. If you have not subscribed to our channel, kindly subscribe our channel right now. Now we will see for the guys born under 5 number, 5 born guys. 5 born means a person born and on 5th, 14th or 23rd of any month, we can say that they are 5 born. For you, the major number which is going to play a important role in this week is, I see that this week is not that up to the mark for you guys. Things will not be as expected for you. Things will be slow moving. It will not be up to your mark or up to your expectation. If you are waiting that you will get some promotion and all in your job sector, or you are waiting for some good news to come, it will be delayed for a week, and you should be careful that you not go for speculation and all. And it is also advised for you to be careful in money matters, because money, there is a problem, there is a situation that you may lose money this week, and there is also a possibility of some theft happening at your place. So keep your valuables and lock and key, and don't be careless. For you this week, the color which will help you is grey color. So use more grey color in your life. At least try to carry a handkerchief of grey color with you, so that the bad effects of the numbers which are going to play an important role in your life this week will be lessened to a maximum degree. Now we will see for 6 born people. 6 born people means person born under 6, 15 or 24th of any month. We say that they are 6 born people. For you guys, the best number for you is 6 itself this week. So we can expect that there will be lot of happiness coming in your life. If you are in love, your love may turn into a committed relationship. Marriage and wedding is on your cards for many of you guys. For others, there is possibility of you buying new clothes, ornaments, gold, silver articles and or luxury items, buying for home, going for parties, weddings, enjoyment, having good food, outings, and all are indicated for you. We can say that this week is going to be a very, very good week for you, but the negative aspect of this week is ruled by 3 numbers. So because of all these lavish happenings in your life, there may be drainage of money to a maximum extent. You should be careful that you put a control over your expenses, so that money will not be drained out. And the lucky colors for you this week, which you can use more, is ivory color. Use more ivory color this week. Ivory color will add more to the benefits which you are going to derive. So use more ivory color. I have given the link of Twitter and Instagram in the video. We are posting daily card of the day in the Instagram and Twitter, so check out it. Now we will go for 7 born people. For 7 born, that is born on 7th, 16th or 25th of any month, how this week is going to be for you, we will see now quickly. For you, when we see that this week the major numbers which are going to play positive role for you is 6 and 5. So we can see that with your brain, with your mental capacity, with your ability of thinking, with your ability of reasoning, you can cope up very well. You can plan many new things, and that planning will go a long way in earning good money. Even at your workplace, you will complete your projects with nobody can do at the speed you are doing or with the ability you are doing. So you will get many accolades from them. You will get rewards for them. you will be appreciated by one and all. So this week we can say is good, but the other aspect which is going to play a negative role this week is number 4. So be always away from number 4. It says that no speculation or no easy money is there for you, and you are also prone for blames, so be careful. Do not open up your mind, or do not tell about your happenings to anybody. That will not be good for you. The lucky color for you this week is brown, so use more brown color. Wearing brown color, keeping your surroundings brown color, or just carrying a hanky of brown color will help you a lot. So we can say that this week is a good week for you. Now we will quickly move into 8 born people. 8 born people means people born on 8th or 17th or 26th of any month. We say that they are 8 born people. For you, the primary numbers which are going to play important role in your life this week, we can say that it is 3 number. So whatever you are going to do or using your mental capacity, it will be a very good week for you. People will flock around for your advice. You will act as a leader among your subordinates or your colleagues or whoever is working under you. Your capacity, your cleverness, your shrewdness, your mental ability will be appreciated by one and all. And if you are applying for any loan to start a business, or applying loan to build a house or buy a land, you can procure it this week. Possibility of buying gold is also not ruled out, and you should be careful of number 2 this week. It tells that it will make you out of balance. Some days it will be good, again some days it will weaken your mind, it will weaken you up. So there will be joint happenings in your life. So to overcome it, you can go for meditation, or you can go for listening some soothing music, or for some time you can even go to some garden and spend time there. The lucky color for you is pink this week. Use more pink color, pink surroundings, wearing pink color clothes, or just carrying a hanky of pink color, which will bring happiness in your life. Pink itself is a color which is the color of happiness, so definitely using pink will bring more and more happiness in your life. Now we will see for guys born under 9 number. 9 born means people born under 9, 18 or 27 of any month. We can say that they are born under 9 number. For you guys, 1 is a number which is going to play a major role this week. We can say that this week is going to be very, very good for you. You will receive honor, you will be appreciated, you will get progress in your life. Progress in business is seen. It's very good time for people who are in real estate business. Also, you will get the appreciation of your superiors, your officers, your team leaders, and it's very good time for ladies. They will be appreciated by one and all. Their advice, their work will be recognized. This week is going to be a very good week where only progress and progress can be seen. But at the same time, you have got 8 as a negative number. 8 is such a number when you are progressing so much in life. it will try to pull you back. It will create such emotions in your mind that you will feel that why I am doing all this, why should I do all this, why I should work so hard. Such kind of pullback will be there, but you should not take into care all that. You should be more and more open. You should be more and more, you should work hard and take only the benefit parts which is given and avoid all this. And there is also possibility this people working under you, you will get appreciation from your superiors, but your subordinates or your people working under you will become more jealous of you, and they will try to create problems that works are not able to go smoothly. So take care of them. The lucky color for you this week, which you can use more and more, is violet color. So use violet color and also yellow and violet color. These two colors are very lucky for you this week. So use more and more of them. Use in your dress or use around you in your furnishings, or just carry a handkerchief of violet or yellow color with you, so that the benefits will be more and more got for you. If you like this channel, kindly like it, share it and subscribe it.